Welcome to Wildnote. I'm Chris Webster, and we're going to learn how to sign into the Wildnote iOS mobile app and sync to get your projects for mobile offline field data collection. First, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of Wildnote for iOS from the App Store. And if you see here, I have version 2.2.1 under What's New. And if I go over to Wildnote, down in the bottom right-hand corner in very light text, you can see 2.2.1. Okay, so that's the same version. So next, launch the app, which I've already done, and sign in with the credentials that you set up when you received your invite by email. Typically, this is your email address plus the password that you gave yourself when you set up your account. If you're using a company device that a previous Wildnote user may have used, it is imperative that all data be synced prior to logging in as a new user, or you risk losing the data. In addition, you'll want to sync where you'll have strong Wi-Fi service before going out for your fieldwork. If this is your first time logging in, you will see the green Sync All button. Once you touch that, your mobile device will connect to the cloud server and pull down all the projects that you're associated with. If you know your survey forms have taxonomy lists, then you will want to perform a sync taxa as well. To perform any of these sync services, go to the three dots in the brown bar in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you will see Sync All and Sync Taxa. Every time I use Wildnote in the field, before I go out of Wi-Fi or cell phone range, I click Sync All. And that will just make sure that I have the updated versions of the forms, any documents that were uploaded, and any changes that were made to survey forms that I need access to. Depending on the size of your projects and the size of your company and what you have in there, this could take a little while. So make sure that you have a really strong signal, as we mentioned before. Finally, you can sync taxa as well if that's something you're using. If you're not using taxa on any of your forms, then you don't have to worry about that. That's it. Now you're ready to begin collecting field data. Check the video library for other in-depth videos and for information on anything related to using Wildnote. Thank you.